How to link Discord to FiveM. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can link Discord to FiveM, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to link Discord to FiveM, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, or you can open up the app and open the Discord application and log into your account. Then tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, as you can find here. Then once you have done that, you can just tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Over here, simply go to the option called connections. Once you go to connections, here you can see I've added a certain account. If you want to add more, you can just tap on the add option. You'll find FiveM from the list over here, so just make sure to select FiveM, log into your account, and your account will get successfully linked. This way you can link Discord to FiveM. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.